In this video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a link in a rich text module in HubSpot. To do that, first, open your page under the editor and then click on the rich text module. You can do so by clicking on this plus icon and adding it right there. So just click on the search bar and locate rich text and you should be able to find it right here. So I already have my rich text right there. So what we can do is we can just click onto that actual rich text and then highlight right here the text that you want. So for example, let's add right here this form. Just highlight this. And then for that, you can find the link icon. You can click on the more right here. And if you can find it right here, you can also click on insert and you can see the option for link. Now insert right here the link. So for example, let's just input right here this placeholder link. Open this link on a new window and click on insert. As you can see, the highlighted word that we have earlier has turned into blue with underline, which means that the URL has been added. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.